I be getting questions on how do I know if it's actually a Carolina Reaper pepper I have growing. Well, one way you can tell with these peppers, you see how they all start sticking up and growing? See, I got some ghost peppers. They hang over to the side no matter what when they start out. But these Carolina Reaper peppers, these guys, when they start growing, they stick straight up first. That's the nature of the plant, I guess. But if you have some Carolina Reapers or wondering if you have Carolina Reapers growing, see if they're sticking up like this first. If they're sticking up like that, that is a good sign that you have some Carolina Reapers. Because when you buy seeds offline, you can tell if the seed is a Carolina Reaper, the ghost pepper, Baja de Luca, aka, or a habanero seed, So that's one way of knowing if you have a Carolina Reaper. And I can't wait to bite into these guys. That's a good one right there. Yeah. Oh yeah.